Learning institutions from Education's District 6 and 7 that include students from Laborie Boys, Laborie Girls, Buns Combined and Auger Combined schools marched through Laborie Village on Friday displaying educational placards while promoting healthy eating habits and regular physical activity. This public demonstration represents part of a broader governmental strategy to address nutritional health at the grassroots level. Fadia Campbell, nutritionist with the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs, explains the initiative's core objectives.
Today, the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs has collaborated with Education District schools in 6 and 7, namely the Laborie Boys, Laborie Girls, Buns Combined and Auger Combined, to heighten the awareness on the adverse effects of the excess consumption of sugar, sugary drinks and snacks, unhealthy fats like trans fats, and also excess consumption of sodium.
The program has particular significance in the context of rising non-communicable disease rates throughout the Caribbean. Rather than merely providing theoretical knowledge, the initiative focuses on practical implementation, with the Laborie Boys establishing itself as an exemplar through a 6-month-old kitchen garden project. The walk complements the holistic healthy lifestyle efforts.
This is a walk that we have organized with the 4 schools, and we are into our 2nd year. Last year we had this walk, and we have this collaboration with the schools where the boys and the girls, the students, they will be walking through the village of Laborie. They are very excited to exhibit their various placards that depicts the adverse effects of these nutrients that I mentioned, and also to encourage the use of healthy foods, healthy eating, and also regular physical activity and exercise. I must say that they have learned from this exercise, and I must highlight the project that the Laborie Boys School has started some 6 months ago. They actually have their kitchen garden, which is very impressive to see that they are actually growing the local foods, the local vegetables, the cucumbers, the cabbage, the watermelons, the chives. And it is very, very impressive to know that they are actually using these foods to cook within the school feeding programs, to provide meals for these children. And it is a good thing when you speak about healthy lifestyle practices, you are also encouraging locally grown foods and also for the sustainability of continuing to eat healthy.
The garden serves multiple functions: educational tool, source for fresh produce for school meals, and model for sustainable nutrition practices. Students learn agricultural techniques while simultaneously absorbing lessons about food security and healthy eating habits, creating an integrated learning experience. The ministry hopes to replicate this model throughout St. Lucia's educational system.
Laborie Boys School is a model school, and I would also want to encourage the other schools in St. Lucia to emulate Laborie Boys School. I know there are other schools out there that have their kitchen garden and their green heart. So I just want other schools to come on board as we continue the thrust in encouraging not just the students, not just children, but the entire population of St. Lucia to adopt healthy lifestyle practices. So this is what I really want for us to do, and as we continue to collaborate with the schools, we continue to collaborate with Honorable Alva Baptiste, who is the district representative for Laborie Auger. So I just want to thank all the schools today for coming on board and walking through the village of Laborie and bringing out the message of health.
By actively involving students in both awareness campaigns and practical food production, authorities aim to instill lasting nutritional knowledge and habits that extend beyond the classroom. Joachim de Plessis, HTS News Force.